First thing that you're going to do is to select a picture that you want to edit. Like this one, I'm gonna choose this picture and then click effects and sketch. Select sketch 1. Hintayin lang natin mag-loading. Yan. Ayan. Ito na po yung result na sinelect natin. Meron siyang horizontal, vertical, and line, black and white, and fade. Pwede din kayong pumili kung ano yung position na gusto nyo. Pero ako, ito lang yung pipiliin ko. Yan. Yan. Pili lang kayo kung ano yung preferred na motion or pick nyo. Pwede nyo din yan ilagay sa mukha nyo or kung saan nyo gusto ilagay yung line. Kapag tapos na, click nyo yung apply. And tadaan! Next and save. Download photo and done. Yan lang.
There's not much to do when all I can